Hi guys, and welcome to my review of The Amazing Spider-Man 2. I haven't watched it yet, but I'm going to the cinemas today to see it. So when I come back, I will continue this review. Okay, I've seen the film now. It was a blast. It was flipping amazing. It was better than all the other films I've ever made. You will love it if you see it in the cinema. I am not going to mention that much about it because I don't want to spoil it. And Pussy, get away from the camera. If you're wondering who I'm saying that to, it's my cat Tiger. I'll go and play with Rocky, the other one. Yeah, it was amazing. In 3D as well. It was bloody amazing. As I said, I'm not going to say too much about it. But all I can say is good action, lots of funny parts. And in 3D, the building just go to your face. Well, you know what I will do? I'll try and put like the trailer in the link in the description below. But you know, if I don't, you know, I'm not that good at YouTube videos. You know, this is a review. Well, all I can say is lots of action. This isn't a spoiler, such there will be a number 3. Well, it's kind of a spoiler, but you know, I can feel the anticipation for a number 3. You know, good film, classic enemies like Green Goblin, Electro, and Rhino. 3 good enemies to keep your action going. Well, as I said, I'm not going to say much more. Just say it was good action, and you need to get your booties down to the cinemas before it's out of cinemas. It was in cinemas at like the 19th of April. That was a few weeks ago. I only just seen it yesterday, and it was amazing. Well, that was my review on The Amazing Spider-Man 2. Remember, puberty is for 11 or 12 year olds. And bye!